Today we are going to talk about one of the most explosive meme coins in the entire crypto industry, Pepe, which is currently trading around $0.000000344. At first glance this price looks extremely small, almost insignificant. But crypto history has repeatedly shown that assets priced with multiple zeros often become the biggest discussion points during bull markets. The real question investors are asking right now is simple. Can Pepe become one of the biggest gainers again by 2026, or has the meme coin hype already peaked? To understand where Pepe might go, we first need to understand where it currently stands in the market cycle. Pepe is no longer just a viral internet token launched for fun. Since its explosive rise, it has evolved into one of the most actively traded meme coins on the Ethereum ecosystem. Even after massive volatility phases, trading volume remains strong. Community engagement continues growing, and social media dominance keeps the coin relevant among retail traders worldwide. Right now, the entire meme coin sector is moving through what analysts call a rebuilding phase. After previous hype-driven rallies cooled down, prices corrected sharply across meme assets including Pepe. These corrections often remove short-term speculators while allowing long-term holders and whales to accumulate positions quietly. Market data shows Pepe has been forming a base near major support zones, indicating stabilization rather than collapse. Analysts recently noted that Pepe continues holding key technical levels despite whale profit-taking, suggesting accumulation activity underneath market noise. Crypto.news. Another important factor influencing Pepe's price today is overall crypto liquidity. Meme coins depend heavily on market sentiment rather than utility alone. When Bitcoin consolidates and investor confidence slowly returns, speculative capital typically rotates into high-risk, high-reward assets, and meme coins historically become the biggest beneficiary of this rotation. The psychology behind Pepe's popularity cannot be ignored. Meme coins succeed because they combine internet culture with financial speculation. Dogecoin introduced the concept, Shiba Inu expanded the ecosystem narrative, and Pepe entered the market at the perfect moment when traders were actively searching for the next viral opportunity. Community-driven momentum remains one of the strongest price catalysts in crypto, sometimes even stronger than technological fundamentals. Recent discussions surrounding Pepe also include ecosystem experimentation and Layer 2 integrations designed to expand meme coin functionality beyond simple trading. Some market analysis highlights developments such as Bitcoin-based meme infrastructure experiments that could potentially introduce decentralized finance elements into the Pepe ecosystem narrative. While early stage, such developments help maintain relevance, which is critical for meme coins surviving multiple market cycles. TradingKey.com. Now looking toward price expectations, different analytical platforms present varying forecasts for 2026. But most agree that Pepe's future depends largely on the next bull market intensity. Conservative projections suggest Pepe may trade around $0.0000040 to $0.0000046 by 2026, representing gradual growth if market conditions remain stable. The answer lies in crypto cycle behavior. Every bull run revives meme coins because new investors entering the market prefer low-priced assets with high perceived upside. When retail money floods crypto exchanges, psychological affordability becomes powerful. Investors often believe buying millions of tokens offers greater opportunity compared to purchasing fractions of Bitcoin or Ethereum. Another critical factor is supply dynamics. Pepe already experienced large distribution phases, meaning early speculative selling pressure has reduced compared to launch periods. If demand increases faster than circulating liquidity during the next bull run, price expansion can happen rapidly due to limited available supply on exchanges. Social momentum also plays a decisive role. Meme coins thrive on attention economics. Viral trends across platforms like X, Reddit, and TikTok frequently trigger sudden buying waves. News reports have highlighted how rising social media enthusiasm and increased trading volume previously drove massive short-term gains in Pepe, turning early investors into significant profit holders. Heading toward 2026, three major scenarios emerge for Pepe coin. In a conservative scenario, where crypto markets grow slowly without speculative mania, Pepe may continue trading within modest appreciation zones around $0.000004, $0.000006. This outcome assumes stable but limited meme coin interest. In a realistic bullish scenario, often considered the most probable, Bitcoin enters a strong expansion phase, altcoin season begins, and meme coins regain retail attention. Under these conditions, Pepe moving toward $0.000008, $0.000015 becomes achievable based on historical meme cycles and analyst forecasts. The extreme bull case scenario appears if a full retail-driven crypto frenzy returns similar to 2021. During such periods, valuation logic temporarily disappears and narrative momentum dominates markets. If Pepe reclaims viral dominance, speculative spikes beyond $0.00002 cannot be ruled out, though sustainability at those levels would depend on continued hype and community engagement. However, risks remain equally important. Meme coins face intense competition as new viral tokens constantly emerge. Market relevance must be continuously maintained through community strength, exchange listings, and narrative evolution. Without attention, meme coins can stagnate even during bullish environments. Still, Pepe holds one advantage many newer tokens lack: brand recognition. It has already survived major volatility phases while maintaining liquidity and trading activity across global exchanges. Survival itself becomes a bullish signal in crypto because most meme coins disappear after initial hype fades. Looking at the bigger picture, Pepe's future by 2026 will likely depend less on technology and more on timing within the global liquidity cycle. If institutional adoption pushes Bitcoin higher and retail investors re-enter aggressively, meme coins historically outperform nearly every other sector in percentage returns. At today's price near $0.00000344, Pepe sits in what many investors consider an early accumulation range rather than a late-stage peak. Whether it ultimately delivers another explosive rally will depend on market sentiment, community momentum, and the strength of the next crypto bull run, and that is exactly why traders continue watching Pepe closely, because in crypto history, the coins everyone ignores during quiet phases often become the ones dominating headlines when the next bull market finally arrives.